Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and definitely some updates here need to be done after today. Very big pullback. Going to go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First level to keep an eye on now, though, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 70 cents was the level of support going into today, but with that opening action this morning where the price fell down below it, you can see when the price did bounce back to the upside, you could throw this right into a textbook. That level then started to act as resistance. So I'm not saying that 70 cents can never be broken and the price can never get back up above it. I'm just saying it makes sense why that level did ultimately push the price back down. So with any sort of near-term bounces, definitely the first key roadblock going to be right there at the 70-cent mark. As far as areas of support are concerned, first level that so far so good you would want to see act as support is that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And you can see that as of right now, that's essentially right where the price has at least stopped going down and started to go sideways. So preferably speaking, you want to see the price stay above that purple line. In the event the price does not hold above it and falls down below, next key level after that would be that gap close location right there at 50 cents. And if the price falls below 50 cents at that point, that would be a major red flag because that would imply that the price has gone down here and can continue on down, which at that point is essentially putting the price right back to where it was before that huge explosion happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of power or strength or anything like that. So overall, not the greatest day today, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.